Hello and welcome back to another episode of Zak Does It. If you're new around here, well, welcome. It's great to have you, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. For everyone else, welcome back, and I too hope you enjoyed today's episode, although it'll be a little shorter and a lot less informative than some of the past ones have been. Past Zak has really gotten through the bulk of the work and only has a few remaining pieces to rush through, like the hood and the trunk lid and the head unit and a few remaining trim pieces like that. So I'm going to kick it back to him in just a moment, but before we do that, I do want to mention that I'm on the road to 100 subscribers. And if you do enjoy my content or you find my videos entertaining or informative or whatever motivates you, please consider subscribing or hitting the thumbs up button. It really lets me know that you're enjoying my content. But that's all I've got. It is time to kick it back to Past Zak. I think he invited some friends over to help, but we'll see how he's getting on. Okay, this is the mad dash to the finish. I literally have to just put on the hood, put the seats in, get a couple extra trim pieces put in. I'm gonna remount the shifter boot piece because the new one hasn't come in yet. And I do really want to drive Mama to dinner tonight. So I'm just gonna blitz through this. I'm gonna not narrate it. I'll see you at the end when it's all over. I just gotta get this done. All right, what are we doing? the dead batteries got me again. Past Zak was in such a rush that he totally forgot to check and make sure that the camera was still recording and the batteries were okay. Well, the good news though is that he did get Mama Miata back together, and he got her on the road, and he made it to dinner with his friend, and it was great. What wasn't so great was the scare he had on the 5-minute drive home, but I don't want to steal his thunder. He will share that bright and early next Thursday when the next episode comes out. Don't worry, it was nothing super serious. It was just a pretty funny scare due to his own negligence. Actually, in fact, some of you who've been around for a few episodes may know what might have happened. But again, I don't want to steal his thunder. This has been another episode of Zak Does It, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.